When you gaze up at the night sky, you're witnessing a breathtaking tapestry of billions of stars and galaxies, each one a tiny beacon in the vastness of space. But have you ever wondered just how big the universe really is? It's mind-boggling. The observable universe stretches about 93 billion light years across, but that's just what we can see. Beyond that, it could go on infinitely, or perhaps it curves back on itself like a cosmic balloon. And what about the edge? If there is one, what lies beyond? Some theories suggest a multiverse where countless other universes exist, each with its own laws of physics. Imagine that. The universe is not just a vast emptiness, it's a dynamic, ever-expanding mystery filled with possibilities. So next time you look up, remember you're not just seeing stars, you're peering into the unknown, a glimpse of the grandest puzzle in existence. To grasp whether the universe has an edge, we first need to tackle its size. Picture this. The observable universe stretches about 93 billion light-years across. That's mind-boggling. But here's the kicker. What we can see is just a tiny fraction of the whole picture. The real universe could extend far beyond our wildest imaginations, possibly even infinitely. Imagine a cosmos that never ends, where galaxies are scattered like grains of sand on an endless beach. This vastness challenges our understanding of space and time, leaving us with profound questions. Are we alone in this immense expanse? Or is there more out there, waiting to be discovered? The universe is a grand mystery, and we're just beginning to scratch the surface. Why can't we see beyond our observable universe? It's simple. Light from anything farther away hasn't had time to reach us. Imagine standing on a beach watching waves roll in. Each wave represents light from distant stars and galaxies, but some waves are still out there, waiting to arrive. Beyond our observable bubble, space doesn't just stop. It continues infinitely, possibly filled with countless galaxies we'll never witness. The universe could be teeming with mysteries, dark matter, and even other dimensions. What lies beyond what we can see? It's a realm of possibilities where the laws of physics might bend and twist in ways we can't even imagine. The vastness is both humbling and exhilarating, reminding us that our understanding is just a tiny glimpse of a much larger cosmic tapestry. Imagine standing at the edge of the universe. What if there's an actual boundary, a cosmic wall that separates our known reality from the vast unknown? Picture this massive barrier, shimmering with the light of distant stars, or perhaps it's a swirling vortex, pulling us into realms we can't even fathom. But then, what if the universe doesn't end at all? What if it wraps around like a giant loop, so that if you traveled far enough in one direction, you'd find yourself back where you started? It's mind-bending to think about. Are we living in a cosmic bubble? Or is there something beyond that we can't even begin to comprehend? The possibilities stretch as far as the universe itself, inviting us to ponder our place in this grand, mysterious expanse. Imagine traveling through space, soaring past stars and galaxies, and suddenly you reach the edge of the universe. What happens next? Some theories suggest that if the universe is indeed curved, you wouldn't find a cliff or a wall. Instead, you might just keep going and end up back where you started. It's like walking around a giant balloon. No matter how far you go, you're still on the surface. But what if you could somehow break through that curve? Would you find another universe, or would you just drift into nothingness? The truth is, we don't know yet. The edge of the universe remains one of the greatest mysteries, tantalizing us with questions about existence, infinity, and the very fabric of reality. So keep looking up. There's so much more to discover. Imagine the universe has an edge, a boundary we can actually reach. What lies beyond it? Some theories suggest a vast nothingness, an infinite void where the laws of physics as we know them break down. Others propose a multiverse, where our universe is just one bubble in a frothy sea of countless others, each with its own unique properties and realities. Picture alternate versions of yourself living out different choices in those universes. Then there are ideas of higher dimensions, realms we can't perceive, where time and space intertwine in ways we can't even fathom. What if beyond the edge we find a cosmic reset button, or perhaps a gateway to entirely new forms of existence? The possibilities are as limitless as the stars themselves, inviting us to ponder our place in this grand tapestry of reality. Maybe beyond the edge there's just nothing. Imagine a void so profound that it defies our understanding of existence. No space to stretch out, no time to measure moments, no energy to fuel thoughts or dreams. Just absolute emptiness. It's a concept that challenges everything we know about the universe. What if this nothingness is not just a lack of something, but a state of being? A realm where the laws of physics break down, where even light cannot escape. It raises questions about our own existence. Are we merely fleeting sparks in an infinite dark? In this vast emptiness, could there be potential? A blank canvas waiting for creation? Or is it simply the end of all things, a silent witness to the cosmos? The thought is both terrifying and liberating. To think that beyond our reality there lies a space untouched by time, a reminder of how precious our existence truly is. What if our universe is just one of many? Imagine a vast multiverse where beyond the edge of our reality lies another universe, perhaps an infinite number of them. Each one could have its own unique laws of physics, creating worlds where gravity behaves differently or time flows in reverse. Some might be teeming with life, while others are barren and desolate. The possibilities are staggering. Think about it. In one universe, you might be a brilliant scientist, while in another, you could be a mythical creature. The concept of a multiverse challenges everything we know about existence and our place in it. It opens the door to endless exploration and discovery, inviting us to ponder the true nature of reality. What if the universe we see is just a tiny fragment of a much larger tapestry? The mind boggles at the thought. Imagine standing at the edge of our universe, peering into the vast unknown. What if beyond that edge lies not just emptiness, but an entire multiverse? Picture this. Countless universes, each with its own unique set of physical laws. In one, gravity might be a whisper, allowing us to float freely. In another, time could flow backward, altering our very perception of existence. These alternate realities could host bizarre forms of life, or perhaps even mirror versions of ourselves living out different choices. The possibilities are endless. The idea of a multiverse challenges everything we know about reality, pushing the boundaries of science and imagination. So as we gaze into the cosmos, we must wonder, are we truly alone or just one thread in an infinite tapestry of universes? What if our universe is just a simulation? Imagine reaching the edge of this vast digital cosmos. You'd expect the grand finale, but instead you hit a wall, like the end of a video game world. Everything just stops. No stars, no galaxies, just a blank void. It raises questions. What lies beyond? Are we mere characters in someone else's game? The glitches we experience, the coincidences that feel too perfect, could they be signs of the code breaking? If we could peek behind the curtain, would we find a programmer, or is it just an endless loop of ones and zeros? The thought is both thrilling and terrifying. What if the rules we live by are just part of the script? What if there's no edge at all? Imagine a universe that stretches infinitely with no boundaries, no end. It's a mind-bending concept, one that challenges everything we think we know. Picture galaxies swirling endlessly, stars being born and dying in a cosmic dance that never repeats. This idea might seem impossible to prove, yet it's equally impossible to disprove. The universe could be an infinite tapestry, woven with threads of time and space, where every possibility exists somewhere. Think about it. If the universe is truly boundless, then every moment, every choice, every life could be mirrored in countless variations. It's a humbling thought, reminding us of our place in this vast, mysterious cosmos. What if the only limits are the ones we impose on ourselves? The universe is a vast, mysterious expanse, and one of its most intriguing questions is whether it has an edge or if it stretches infinitely. Imagine standing on the edge of a cosmic cliff, peering into the unknown. Current theories suggest that the universe is expanding, but what lies beyond that expansion? Some scientists propose that it could be infinite, while others believe it might curve back on itself, creating a closed loop. Every discovery, from cosmic microwave background radiation to the observation of distant galaxies, brings us closer to understanding this enigma. Each piece of evidence adds to the puzzle, igniting our curiosity and challenging our perceptions. So as we gaze into the night sky, we're not just looking at stars, we're exploring the very fabric of existence, inching closer to the ultimate truth about the universe's boundaries, or lack thereof. The universe is a mind-boggling concept. Imagine standing on the edge of a vast ocean, but instead of water, it's filled with stars, galaxies, and mysteries. Now, does this cosmic ocean have a boundary? Some scientists argue that it does, suggesting there's a limit to how far we can see, beyond which lies the unknown. Others believe it stretches infinitely, like a never-ending tapestry woven with the fabric of space and time. Think about it. If the universe is finite, what lies beyond that boundary? Is it just emptiness or something entirely different? On the flip side, if it goes on forever, how do we even comprehend that? It challenges our understanding of existence itself. So what do you think? Is there an edge to our universe, or does it stretch infinitely into the unknown? Let's dive into this cosmic debate together. The universe is a vast, enigmatic expanse filled with mysteries that challenge our understanding of reality. Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the observable universe? Scientists estimate that there could be trillions of galaxies, each with its own unique set of stars and planets, possibly harboring life. Then there's dark matter, which makes up about 27% of the universe, yet remains invisible and undetectable. How can something so prevalent be so elusive? And let's not forget about black holes, regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. They warp time and space, raising questions about the very fabric of our existence. Each discovery leads to more questions, igniting our curiosity and pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. So if you're as fascinated by these cosmic enigmas as I am, share this journey with fellow explorers and keep seeking the truth among the stars.